Alright, the Skip and Jerry Orem Kennebec Riverwalk. Right over here next to the Maritime Museum. And then the Bath Iron Works just on the other side of it. Eventually I'd like to do a little video tour of the Bath Iron Works area, or not the Bath Iron Works, but the Maritime Museum, because it's just really cool in there. A lot of history and stuff. But that's a great little spot over here. I just wanted to show you guys the Kennebec river view. A couple little information boards. I think for a while I was calling this river the Androscoggin, but the Androscoggin is not too far from here, but I believe that is the Kennebec. So I do apologize for getting that confused. It's been really muggy today. I want to say temperatures were in the early 90s. And got a nice little afternoon breeze kicking up, which feels heavenly right now. Look at all this marshland. I was out here a couple days ago, and there was a lot of cool birds and sea otters playing in the water here. And apparently they have little riverboat tours that launch off this dock here. You got to get reservations for that one. That's just a cool little spot here at the edge of Bath, Maine.